Mama akwaba wa frame Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
And this is for the man who created. I'm not saying the new, but I'm
telling the former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said. So I know Kasa or bet making sure say you conduct forensic auditor. And the Messamano. So no Kasa no on share several on home. Airbus scandal no conduct forensic audit. Now report never by the crown. As I know, he's not even admitting say you know. Now who was that? Ahumaswo no ekatre say oba you come and conduct forensic audits. Yeah, chon. And I'm very hopeful that the good people of Ghana, the youth of this country, the free SHS leavers, they will remember His Excellency Nana Addo Akuffo. They will remember His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, and they will reward him. They will reward him well because someone himself, because of Ononti, they have had the opportunity to go to school without paying fees. Someone himself, unknown address, they had the opportunity to have free SHS. But John Dramani Mahama, he should continue to be twisting facts and play to where he thinks that it suits him. Maybe all that they did yesterday, sincerely speaking, Obisamia, I see it as one of those gimmicks. And yeah, mama, a business said, on normal address, they started social interventions and other benefits. It's the end of the day. Ghana first presents a convincing policy to us. What is your policy?
24-hour economy.
I'm Captain Bisan, first idea. 24-hour economy.
Say one here. And a question about 24-hour economy. Sincerely speaking,
I say a game changer.
I'm a free say. The former president, at least, all the other NDC performance in Yanko, let me face on one because I got betting I can be Biama. I'm that kind of faith. But I know the custom one I may say,
I don't know.
I'm fat. The panel move at that ticket to swag the policy, the pro almost preach on Tiasia.
I'm some Puyo. You are there.
Proud to that, you know.
Proud to that.
Young family here. Number so madam. The best about interview. I Ghana movement television that went to me radio so cry and then Emmanuel Senior or your MPP National Communication Team member and Master and Samoa or Lord Take Colley Youth Organizer in a Asia. You're doing your man. Master, yeah, cry.
You open so or yeah. Intino se osoha kakra. No asoha kakra, osoha kakra, no asoha kakra, or kasasa near the coalition. But me, all that I would tell our people is to concentrate on what we are doing. Now, Mama has got nothing to provide us. See, me, I always say when it comes to social intervention programs for this country, it has always been unique when it comes to the MPP. The boy see me no munami. The boy see me no munami. Offer. Obeje di say ye wo mo Kuffo time. Na that time no. Na free maternal what? They want free. Omunya. This is one of the policies at the end they offer. So Obiti, Northern region, Obiti, Greater Accra, they are all going to benefit from it. I know the money social intervention program because at the end you know anywhere you are in this country you will benefit from it. These young ones have benefited from it. Fast forward, and many more than Akuffo Dubai. And also, say it's me Abu Maya won't call free. And you have free as anything. And come because some reno na bebre na omu wie school pe say 100 a omu say 20 pe na ko school na obu say nyenya ya tayi mu nyenya yenwanu mu a sabio omu nam sai bi na omu nam ho but there were 2024 elections mean say e mebu na meto ababia ko school eni ma kenkan na say anka wo emre bi atwemu na anka wo ma me no papa ntimi fa wo ko school na what ba ko school say ya o de hwemenim o hwemenim emebru mu hwemenim o se obi abomodia aboa wo ma me no papa de wa ko school na ochira o say o da no chema na se wa all that the MPP government wants to do is to give Ghanaians, to give the youth a better future. Now, also need 2 or 2 billion anka on fanko go fanko to school fees and go back oye wako to jata abe gubom na wape no beba offer meba obobuo na no asa for plane na wapo be on that term no so not the name to wait a policy
na o tell you obo panie
wait a policy
so be na plane mu no panie na so be si ayinu mu
obi dwi say emabunu omunyi no ese so mutimi nya dachi ya dachi nya ya preni nya hwe America ni China ya kan wasem so mu developing nya is because of education. We are investing in education. That is what we are doing. For me, the aim is there. They say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, you win the 2024 election. Right from there, the kind of youth we would have in this system will not be that kind of youth as Sebio or Unimatro near King Kind. Obetimidi, Abekacho say, oh, wait here, or you can't say, or short memory. And check.
Your cocktail
of Baba dear, me a kamiko anka. Inja na seman because sincerely, anka or you'll be crap one can say 7 years crowd na fee, 7.5 years crowd what's na fee, Niniano, anka all the bear policies are Sebu a bit my boy or main. But it's a say free SHS and all the buy. Unikromuha offer unikromuha and the mama na can say you owe 2 billion Ghana cedis
on fan could school fees say or your free SHS
offer the Akobani say mama said him the opeso or ye into no say oso hakakra no aso hakakra oso hakakra no aso hakakra or kasasa near the coalition but me all that I would tell our people is to concentrate on what we are doing. Now, Mama has got nothing to provide us. See, me.